how to create a custom map style in the Jawg Lab. Thank you for tuning in. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Jawg Lab to customize and create kick-ass maps like these. So, for this tutorial, let's imagine that Bioman has used a default style for their store locator map. It looks alright, but let's customize it so that it matches their brand and fits seamlessly on their website. Let's head into the Style Manager. Click on Create a New Style. Pick a name and which default style you'd like to use as a base. For example, Jawg Sunny is good if you want to create a colorful map with contrasting elements. And Jawg Light and Jawg Dark are great if you're looking to build monochromatic maps. For this example, we're going to start from the Jawg Sunny style. Okay, we're in. So first things first, let me show you around. The Edit panel will allow you to undo changes if you've made mistakes, or redo them if you've changed your mind. It also lets you compare your last published version with the current version you're editing. This is the Palette section. It offers you 3 choices. Monochromatic, which lets you pick a main color scheme for your map. Quick and simple. Simple, which gives you a bit more customization by selecting a color per group. Here you can see that it selected different nuances of the Jawg blue to contrast the groups. Or Advanced, which pretty much lets you customize every element in each group. Alright, let's dive in and start creating our Bioman map. Let's meet in the middle and go for a simple palette. So, to create a map that matches the Bioman brand, we will use orange for the roads, green for the lands, a light gray for the background, a darker gray for the buildings, the Bioman blue for the water, and finally, black for the borders. Now, to help the labels stand out, we'll pick the Noto font, gray text color, and let's add a white halo with maximum stroke. This really helps create contrast with the rest of the map. In this panel, you can control the density of the information, but let's look at the Details panel first. It will be easier to see the changes while all the density settings are still set to high. Let's zoom in to get a close-up. You can choose different types of icons, show the buildings in 2D, 3D, or deactivate them altogether, show transportation icons, and even activate contour to show the elevation. Now, let's zoom back out a bit. You can show or hide borders, hill shade, and even have it in HD, land cover, and road shields. For this map, let's keep the borders and activate land cover. Now, let's go back to the density panel. We don't need that much precision in the labels, so let's make this low. The roads also look a bit crowded. Let's set it to medium. The landmarks look good, so we'll leave it like this. And voila! We have a map that matches its brand and that will fit perfectly on the website. Before we go, let's click Compare so that we can admire the before-after shot. Not bad. Save it, publish it, and then click the Use button for the integration code samples. Thanks for watching and see you in the next Jawg Lab tutorial.